Thank you sa mga sacrifices mo para sa amin.
So, happy birthday, Sid. So, more blessing, keep safe, and God bless you always. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Siyempre, I'm with my one and only.
Happy birthday po. God bless and ingat lang. Stay healthy ngayon, lalo na ngayon may COVID.
Yes. So, subscribe kay Sid sa kanyang YouTube channel. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Tita!
Hello, Beshi! Happy birthday! Gurang ka na! So, happy birthday! Gurang ka na talaga! So, anyway, I'm just kidding. So, I just want, ang wish ko lang sa birthday mo is healthy, happy life always. And lagi lang nandito ako na Beshi mo, your one and only Beshi. And wag mong kalimutan yung promise natin sa isa't isa. Alam mo yun, di ba? McDo lang, Besh. McDo lang. Alam mo yan. Pagtanda, McDo lang, Besh. So, I'm just kidding. So, anyway, kung saan ka man happy ngayon, I'm so happy and I'm so proud of you. Nandito lang ako lagi. So, take care of yourself and I love you.
Hi, friendship! Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. I wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come. Sana matagpuan mo na ang one and only true love mo sa buhay. Sana laging healthy and ingatan ang iyong sarili. Once again, Friendship Sid, happy birthday! Thank you! Mama! Chup chup! Sana happy birthday! I hope wrong.
Hi Sid, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes, this is your one and only DJ Rainbow all the way from Canada. Mapa-TikTok man yan or mapa-YT man yan. And the reason why I'm doing this is for me to extend my messages to you. Okay? First, stay healthy as you are. Keep safe. Okay? Congratulations in advance. Dahil malabing ka na ma-monetize sa iyong YouTube channel. And because of your perseverance, I believe in your dedication. And sa iyong pagpupuyat sa YT. Ayan. Maraming salamat at andyan ka pa rin. Don't you ever dare to change then. And just continue what you're doing. Keep smiling. Keep being a jolly person, okay? And on behalf of Lots of Lovers and Peggers family, we would like to greet you a happy birthday. Kung ano yung wish mo, yun din ang wish namin para sa iyo. Maraming salamat and God bless you always and I love you and take care. Bye for now.
Hi Sid! As promised, happy birthday. I hope you will enjoy your day. And I have a surprise for you. One of the famous TikTokers in UK wanna greet a happy birthday. Happy birthday and God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sid. Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Sid. Happy birthday.
Ba't ganun yung weather, no? Malakas yung hangin, pero ang init-init. Tapos, ang ganda ko pa rin. So weird.
Friendship, yes! Na ang birthday na ng aking nag-iisang friendship mula TikTok hanggang YT World. Yan, ikaw na, ikaw na, ikaw na. Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating pagiging magkaibigan at nakilala kita. Thank you so much. Yan. At nandyan ka palagi mula nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ako. Nandyan ka na. Ayan, ikaw ang aking nag-iisang supporter. Ayan, thank you so much sa iyo. Ayan, at sana enjoy lang sa YT and congratulations in advance. Alam ko, malapit ka na. Ayan. And thank you so much. Happy birthday ulit sa iyo. Happy birthday to you. Bye. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Best friend, happy birthday. Wish you more happiness and success in YT and success in love life. And thank you for the friendship we've shared. Thank you sa pag-imbita mo sa akin sa TikTok. Then ngayon nasa YT world na tayo. Alam mo ako sa mundong magulo, masaya at yung buhay ko ay naging busy more, pero exciting and happy. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Bye! Happy birthday, Sid! Best friend! Happy birthday to you. You live in the sea. You look like a monkey, and you smell like a tree. Happy birthday!
Hello, Friendship Sid. It's your birthday. Happiest birthday to you. Wishing you all the happiness your heart's desire, and thank you for your friendship, even if we don't know each other personally, but you're always there to support me. And keep safe always, and God bless. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Ilang taon ka na, kabsat? Ayan. Lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, love yourself at saka isipin mo yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Tapos, andito lang ako palagi. Mag-message ka lang o kaya pwede natin pag-usapan lahat under the sun. Yung parang seryoso, kalokohan. Okay? Tapos, I wish you happiness, love, and everything that your heart desires for. Okay? God bless you. I love you. Mwah!
Friendship, it's your birthday pala. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? Message mo na lang sa akin. Anyways, we met sa Philcan TikTokers. Although hindi ako masyadong active doon, pero yun nga, I'm happy kasi naging part ako ng group na yun. Kita mo naman, we're friends now. And also, ang wish ko is, for now, ma-monetize na yung channel mo para sabay-sabay tayong aangat. Always remember that. Wag isipin kung ano yung mga negative thoughts ng iba or else bababa ka. Lagi lang tayong straightforward, not backwards. Okay? Yan ang lagi kong sinasabi sa group natin kasi marami mga issues. Pero anyways, para hindi na lang humaba itong sasabihin ko kasi daldal na naman ako. Yeah. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Also, happy lang lagi. Okay? Yung love life, kung meron, not true. Wala naman, okay lang naman kasi maging single. But as long as nandito kaming lahat ng friends mo, don't worry. Ako nga wala ring jowa. So, hayaan na. Tingnan mo nga, happy pa din. Diba? Yung ganun lang yun dapat. Happy lang lagi. Okay? So, happy birthday again. May God bless you more and more and more. And babawi ako sa'yo pag monetize ka na. Okay? I love you, friendship. Mwah!
Sino yung may birthday? Bala nin.
Happy birthday
May not
to
kanin
you.
anin na.
Happy birthday.
Hello po, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. So, nandito po kami ni Mingming sa harap nyo para batiin ang isang kaibigan natin na si Zed ng happy birthday. Kabsat, happy birthday sa'yo. Greetings namin ni Mingming. Stay healthy. Kabsat, magpapasalamat lang ako sa'yo sa sobrang pagsusupport mo sa akin. Hindi man tayo masyadong magkakilala pero laging nandyan ka para suportahan ako. Hindi ka nagsasawang suportahan ako kahit minsan hindi na ako nakakapunta sa mga LS mo, hindi na ako nakakapunta sa mga premiere mo, pero ikaw nandyan ka pa rin. Grabe, sobrang support. Kabsat, ang swerte ko kasi nakakilala ako ng isang kaibigang katulad niyo. Sana huwag kang magbago ha. Kahit saan man manarating mo, sana hindi ka magbago sa amin, sa akin, sa mga kaibigan mo. Kasi nasanay na kami na ganyan ang ugali mo, sana hindi ka magbago. Kabsat, happy birthday sa'yo. Kanta namin, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kabsat. More birthdays to come.
Hi everyone! Hello sa lahat ng manonood ni CD88. So, happy birthday to you. Thank you sa laging pag-support. Wala na akong maibate. I wish you all the best. At sana, soon, ma-monetize na yung channel mo, okay? So, I'm always here to support you. Ayun lang. So, napilitan lang ako magbate. Joke. Actually, kauwi ko lang from work. So, and then I got your message. So, thank you. So, sendan mo lang ako ng message kapag may mga tanong ka. Hindi man ako expert, masasagot ko lang yung alam ko. Okay, so, enjoy your birthday. Ilang taong ko na ba? Wala nang edit to, kaya ang hingi ng mga anak ko, so alis na ako. Bye! Stay blessed. Oh, by the way, my name is Shay Kasu. Yan po ang YouTube channel ko. Bye!
Hello there!
natin ngayon si birthday celebrant, si Sid, 88. Ayan, happy birthday, Sid. Ayan, pasensya na, medyo madilim. Nasa labas kasi kami. Ayan, nag-jogging pero kumain, diba? So, ayan. So, I just want to thank you, Sid, for showing us around Canada. So, ayan. So, since hindi tayo makapag-travel ngayon, ayan. So, thank you naman sa mga pa-hiking and everything mo dyan and showing us around Canada. Ayan. Thank you. And I wish this birthday mo na kahit may mga ganitong situation, sana masaya kang mag-celebrate ng birthday mo. Stay healthy and I wish you happiness and good health lagi. God bless. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Paula Music and Vlog. I just want to wish Sid a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, sana pagpalain ka pa ni Lord ng marami pang biyaya, Sid. At salamat sa iyong suporta sa akin, sa aming mga kabsat natin. Ayan, God bless you more.
Hello guys, binabati ko nga pala si kabsat na si Side 88. Ayan, so binabati ko po siya ng happy birthday. Ayan, happy birthday kabsat and more birthdays to come. And God bless you always. Palagi kang mag-ingat. Ayan, so I'm so happy at enjoy your birthday, idol. So, yun lang, idol. Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless you always and more birthdays to come. And so, enjoy your birthday.
Hello beautiful people, ako pala si Irene Abarientos. Gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday sa iyo, Sid 88. Ayan, more blessings to come and sana maging happy ka lagi. God bless you. Ipagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung nasimulan mo at huwag kang magbago at saka magpasalamat din sa ating gumawa sa atin lahat. Ayan. Happy birthday and sana magpainom ka naman dyan. Pak, ganun. Ayan. Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hello, this is Sunshine Hazzard. Happy birthday, SYD888 from Ilocano, Kabsat. Ayan. Happy birthday, Kinyamon. More birthday to comes and powerful to your YT channel. Love you!
Hello, Kabsat, Sid 88 Om. Kablaawang ka man tinabara nga. Happy birthday and wish you more birthday to come. Good health and enjoy YTC World. This is greetings from Dash of Dash Life. So, happy vibes, good vibes, and smile. Enjoy your day. God bless!
Kabsat Sid, happy birthday to you. May your dreams and desires in life will come true and hopefully one of your videos will go viral and just continue making content videos, okay? And ayan, happy birthday to you, Sid. Ingat lagi.
Isang maligayang pagbati sa iyong karawan, SYD88. Happy birthday. God bless you and your family.
Hello! Happy birthday, Sid88 Olm. Ayan. God bless you always and more birthdays to come, Kabsat. Ayan. Gyaman na kiti friendship nga nabuo i-giant Ilocano YT group. Ayan. Daapot imang bendisyon kanyam. Sapay lang kumatay ka nakatiado nga birthday ka napintas na salungat mo. Ayan. Happy birthday again. God bless you always. Bye!
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your big day and keep safe.
Hello, kapatid Sid! This is Panlasang Probinsyana. Happy birthday sa'yo. I pray all the best for you and your family. May all your heart's desires be granted. Ingat ka palagi. May you have more birthdays to come. Good health and happiness always. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Sid 88. More birthdays to come and keep safe always. God bless. Love ya. Bye!
Hi! Happy birthday, kapatid. Happy birthday. God bless you po. God bless you. And be happy always. Siyempre, good health. Thank you so much, kapatid. Nakilala ko si Dubli Utso. Nagkaroon ako ng kapatid, nagkaroon ako ng kuya, nagkaroon ako ng ate, syempre nagkaroon ako ng friends, totoong friends na minsan nagkakatampuhan din kami, na minsan nagkakasayahan din. Yun talaga yung parang pamilya lang. Parang pamilya na lang turing ko sa'yo, kapatid. I love you po. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Happy birthday ulit. I'm so sorry, hindi ko nalaman agad na birthday mo pala. Pero, ginawa ko rin ng lahat. Nakahabol din ako. Thank you sa lahat po. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Ito, kakantahan kita saglit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you po. Happy birthday. Goodbye.
Hi, friend! Kamusta ka na? Babatiin lang kita, ha? Happy birthday sa'yo. Kahit na makulit ka, love na rin kita. Alam mo ba yon? But anyway, I hope mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Ang wish ko sa'yo is more and 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 more blessings to come para sa'yo. Okay? Good health. Ayun, lalo na yun, ha? At saka, isa na pa ba? Next year, ha? Mag-hike tayo ulit. Papakain kita sa bear. Happy birthday ulit! Bye!
Hello guys! One greeting here in Dubai, UAE para sa kapatid nating si Sid. Hi Sid! Happy birthday! Sana maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at sana maging masaya ka na, matagpuan mo yung babaeng magmamahal sa'yo. At sana din huwag ka nang mag-hibernate kapag nagtatampo. Maraming salamat at nakilala kita at naging kaibigan. Love much!
lagi and sana makamta mo na ang iyong 3-in-1. 3-in-1. Parang kape, no? 3-in-1. Ayan, 3-in-1 na siya. And sana ingatan mo yung, alam mo na, yung magiging 3-in-1 mo. So, ayan, good health lagi, Sid, and enjoy exploring sa Canada. Ayan, sana makapunta rin kami ng Canada, no? Kahit sa panaginip lang, Sid. Yan, make a love shout out to you again, and happy birthday. Bye!
Hi, mega love shout out to you, Sid88OLM. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Today it's your birthday, kaya dapat maging happy ka. And always pray, and naway bigyan ka ng Panginoon ng more power, more strength, and more happy family. At yung wini-wish mo na kung ano mo yung bagay na wini-wish mo, hindi lang sa material na bagay, and also to your heart. Ayan, naway na makuha mo na siya. At I'm so proud and I'm so blessed dahil nakilala kita, dahil naging kaibigan kita, at alam mo naman na malapit ka sa puso ko. Ayan, friends na tayo. At naway hindi ka magbago. Kung ano ka noon, ganun ka pa rin ngayon. Ay sinasabi ko sa iyo yung dapat mo lang baguhin. Alam mo na yun, yung dapat mong baguhin. At be humble. Ayan. Huwag mainitin ang ulo. Joke! Ayan. Gumawa ako sa iyo ng banner. Ayan. Ewan ko lang kung baliktad to ha. Baliktad. Ayan. Pero batahin na lang ang baliktad. I'm so proud talaga na nakilala ko kayo. Ang mga kaibigan mo, I'm so proud. Minsan lang tayo makahanap ng tunay na kaibigan. And that is you. What's up, man? And once again, happy birthday. Alam mo na nasa puso kita. Diba? Nasa puso talaga kita. Inside. Wala sa outside. Inside lang talaga siya. Ayan. And good luck to your career. And also to your family, and be happy on your birthday. Mwah. Mwah.
Pumatanda ka na. Sana be healthy always, and keep